everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix TikTok app stuck on an update or not updating. First of all, open the App Store and then tap your profile. Next, check your updates. If you have already updated your TikTok account, then that means you don't need to worry about updating it anymore. Then go ahead and restart your phone by holding the power plus volume button and then sliding it to power off, and then turn off any VPN that may block the app. Next, if update fails, then go ahead and delete the TikTok and reinstall it. Safety tip: only reinstall TikTok from the official app store. Quick fix: if the app store is stuck, log out of your Apple ID, then log back in, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.